Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade here, the Active Person's Chiropractor, and today I'm sharing one of my favorite benefits of the adjustment. It's that you're going to actually have better focus and learning ability. So you're actually going to be up to 60% smarter after an adjustment because of all the great information that is flooding your nervous system, specifically going to your frontal cortex from that adjustment. And your frontal cortex is responsible for things like memory formation, attention, empathy, and coordination.